Good morning, children. Uh, Today I am going to teach you aptitude of class 3. Children, this is your aptitude book. Look at your book, and the book's name is Know Your Aptitude. Children, this is the book of class 3. Goyal Brothers Prakashan books. So children, please open it. Know Your Aptitude. This book is written by R. Singh, R.S. Dhawani, B.B. Bhatnagar. Children, open the content parts. This is your content part, and it is very important to know what is our July course or June course. Children, analogy and series is our June course. Classification and alphabet test, these two chapters of July course. So children, today I am going to teach you June course. So open your chapter 1. Verbal aptitude. This is your part A, verbal aptitude. Verbal aptitude means मौखिक योग्यता, जो कि मुंह से बोलने वाली जो योग्यता होती है उसको हम verbal aptitude कहते हैं. What is the Hindi meaning of analogy? Analogy means समानता, means similarity. Here, analogy. What is the meaning of analogy in English? Analogy means a degree of similarity. A degree of similarity that is having similar feature. इसके features कैसे होने चाहिए? Similar होने चाहिए. Here we understand the relationship between two given objects. यहाँ पे हम सभी को पढ़ना है कि दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच का जो भी रिलेशनशिप है वो क्या है, वो पढ़ना है. एंड अप्लाई द सेम रिलेशनशिप और सेम रिलेशनशिप अप्लाई करके टू फाइंड व्हाट हैज बीन आस्क्ड. जो भी कहेगा उसको हम खोजेंगे. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. काइट, बर्ड. व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन काइट एंड बर्ड? So children, the relationship between kite and bird is that they both move through air. They both move through air. हवा के थ्रू वो मूव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है बोट. बोट रिलेटेड टू वाटर. चिल्ड्रन, बोट किसके थ्रू मूव करता है? वाटर के थ्रू मूव करता है. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? क्रो, फिश, टाइगर, का. दीज आर द ऑप्शंस. चिल्ड्रन, विच ऑप्शन इज गोइंग थ्रू द वाटर? तो दैट इज फिश. फिश go through the move through the water. So children, fish is the right answer. Tick the right choice. Our exercise questions, tick the right choice. यहाँ पे हमें right choice करके tick लगाना है. Children, first question is summer cooler. Children, we use cooler in the summer season. Winter, what we use in the winter season? Children, heater, washing machine, coat, freeze. Which is the correct option? What we use in the month of winter? We use heater because heater produced heat. So heater is the right answer. Take the heater. Next question is water glass. We drink water in glass. So tea. How can we drink tea? We drink tea in a cup. So, which is the right option? Teapot, cup, saucer and tray. Cup is the right answer. So, tick here. Our third question is pencil, box, pencils. What is the relationship between pencil box and pencil? Children, the relationship between pencil box, in pencil box we put the pencil, and in keychain what we put here? Purse, shopping bag, bangles or key. What we put in a keychain, children? So key is the right answer. We put key in keychain. Our next question, dice. Dice, cube. What is the relationship between dice and cube? The shape of the dice is cubic, cube. So, matchbox. What is the shape of a matchbox, children? Square, sphere, cuboid and cylinder. The shape of the matchbox is cuboid. So, tick the cuboid. Because you look at the picture here, I draw the shape of the matchbox. This is the shape of a matchbox. So, this shape is cuboid. Now, next question is shuttlecock, cone, globe. Shuttlecock. What is the shape of a shuttlecock? Cone-like. So, globe. What is the shape of a globe? Circle, cube, cuboid, sphere. What is the shape of a globe? The shape of the globe is sphere. So, take the sphere. Now, our next question is train, railway track. Train go through a railway track. So, bus go through diesel, road, bus stop or a driver. Children, bus go through road. So, take the option B. Road is the right answer. Our seventh question is earthworm, crawl. Earthworm moves. How? They moves, crawl. Crow moves. Fly, swim, dance, sleep. Crow, fly. Fly means urna. So, crow flies. So, fly is the right answer. Children, trunk, truck, diesel, truck. Children, question number 8 is truck need diesel. So, the scooter need what? CNG, water, kerosene या petrol. Children, scooter needs petrol. So, you take the petrol. Question number 9 is dog, beach. Dogs, male dog, female dog is beach. Horse, female horse is tigress, lion, mare, cow. Which is the right answer? Mare. Mare is the right answer. Female horse is called mare. Now question number 10. Bull, cow, boy. Bull is a male and the female of a bull is cow. Boy. What is the opposite of boy? Boy, child, girl, man, woman. Which is the opposite of boy? Female part. That is girl. So, take care. Girl is the right answer. Now, turn your page on. Turn your page, children, this is analogy letters. It means that in previous question we learn about analogy of words, objects, but in this part of first chapter 1 is analogy of letters. Children, take the right choice. A after A, B, B after letter B, C, C after letter C, D, and D after letter D is E. So take the option B. P is not the right answer, E is right answer, C is not the right answer, F is not the right answer. After D, we next letter is E. So you tick here. Children, question number 2. A, B is not here, C. It means that the skip of 1, gap of 1 letter. B, C is not here. D, gap of 1 letter. C, D is not here. Gap of 1 letter. D, gap of 1 letter. The next letter is D is not the next to next letter. C is not the next to next letter. E is not to next letter. F is the right answer, because after D, E is a skip. So after E, the letter F. F is the right answer. So take care F. Question number 3. A, B, B, C. This is a continuous letter. A, B and A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D. The last letter repeat this side again. C, D, D, E, D, E. The last letter again repeat this side. So the letter E, F is the right answer. So where is the E, F? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Option A, E, F. E, F is the right answer. So tick here, children. Now next question is A, B and C is not here. The skip of B and C. The gap of B and C. So the gap of 2 letters. E, F, Z is not here. H is here. Gap of 2 letters. P, Q, R is the gap of 2 letters, and Q, R is not here. And after R, which letter is here? S. Where is the S? Option A is S, option B is S, option C is S, option D is S. Option C is S. So S is the correct answer. Question number 5. T. Children, here is the previous letter. Before T, S. After S, the letter is T, and before T, S is the letter. V, W. So which letter is here? That letter? Tell me, which letter is here? E. A, B, C, D. C is here. C is the right answer. So children, where is C? Option A is C, option B is C, option C is C, option D is C, option A is C. So tick here. Now question number 6. AT, TA. Opposite. PR, RP, VY. So the opposite of VY, which is the letter here? YV. So children, which is the option of YV? A, B, C, D. YV is the option C. So you take here option C is the right answer. Question number 7. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Continue letter. P, Q, R, S. Now the next letter is T, U, V, W. So where is T, U, V, W? T, U, V, W, option A, option B, option C, option D. TUVW. Option D. So tick the option D. Question number 8. AA, BB, CC, DD. One letter is repeat here 2 times. So the children, PPQQ. Next letter is RRSS. So the where is RRSS? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Option B. B is the right answer. RRSS. Question number 9. C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G. Children, last letter, middle letter repeat 2 times, and the last letter is here also. So children, let's start. P, P, Q, Q, R. So the next letter is R, S, S, T. So where is the R, S, S, T? R, S, S, T. Option B. Option B is the right answer. A, B, D, C, C, D, B, A. Children, A, B. Correct the letter. Continue. But D, C, there is a letter opposite letter. It means that before D, C is the letter. So children, C, D, B, A. Here is the opposite. Last 2 letter is opposite. Now next, P, Q, S, R. So the next letter is what? R, S, R, S, Q, P. Here is the opposite A, B, D, C. A, B, D, C. Opposite of A, B, D, C. P, Q, S, R. The opposite of P, Q, S, R is R, S, Q, P. Where is the R, S, Q, P? Option is here. So option B, R, S, Q, P is the right answer. So tick here. Now our next question, analogy number. Analogy number, tick the right choice. In previous 2 questions we learn about, we study about objects, analogy of objects, analogy of letters, and in this analogy of numbers. So the children, look at here. After 2, 3, 14. After 15, the next number is 15. After 21, the next letter is 22. And after 43, the next letter is 44. So look at the option here. Which is the 44 options? Option D. So take the right answer. Second question, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Children, 10. Sorry. In this question, question number 2, 10, we skip of 10 digit. There is 20. And again 20, there is the gap of 10 digit. So the next digit is gap of 10 digit is 30. We find again 70, we gap of 10 digit 80 is here. So 60, gap of 10 digit 70. So which option is of 70? Option C is of 70. So tick the option C. Question number 3. 1, 2, 3. Opposite here 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 6. 6, 3, 2. 7, 2, 5. The opposite of 7 to 5 is 5 to 7. So children, look at here. Where is 5 to 7? Option A is 5 to 7. So tick the 5 to 7. Option A is the right answer. 100. The before 100, the number is 99. The predecessor of 300 is 299. The predecessor of 700, which digit is here? Which number is here? The predecessor of 700 is 699. So tick option B. Question number 5. For 2, there is the first digit 4. Here is the first digit 4, 5, 6. Here is the first digit 5, 7, 3. Here is the first digit 7, 8, 9. What is the first digit? 8. So where there is 8. So children, look at the options here. Where is the option of 8? 8 in option A. So tick option A. A is the right answer. Question number 6. Here is the gap of 2. 2. Gap of 2, 3 and here is the gap of 1 digit. 2. After 2. 3. 3 is not here. 4. And again 10. Gap of 10 digits. Children. So 10. It means that doubling the number. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Question number 6 में doubling the number. 2 को double किया 4. Double of 10 20. Double of 200 400. Double of 400 is 800. So children, which is the option of 800? Option C is of 800. So take the option C. 800 is the right answer. In question number 7, 420, 320. First digit less here, 1 minus 1. So the children, 560, here is the difference of 100, 460. Here is the 760, gap of less 100 in 760, 660. Where is the option of 660 is here? So children, option B is the right answer. 660. Now, question number 8. 710 minus 10 in 710. 810 minus 10 in 810. 800. 910 minus 10 in 910. The answer will be 900. Where is the option of 900, children? A, B, C, D. Look at the here. Look at here. Option D. The option D is 900. So the 900 is the correct answer. So question number 9. 999. 876. It means that, children, here we less 111 digit again. It means that if 9 is here, we less 1, we find 8, and we find 8 minus 1 in 8, we find 7, minus 1 in 7, we find 6. So the children, look at the here, 8, 8, 8, 7, minus 1 in 7, 6, minus 1 in 6, 5. So 4, 4, 4, the before 4, the letter digit is 3. 3 and minus 1 in 3, 2, and minus 1 in 2, 1. So 321 is the right answer. So the children, option A 320, B 324, and option C 321, and D is 322. Which is the right answer? 321. So option C is right. Question number 10. 345. Look at here. 4 is here. 5 is here. And next digit is 6. यहाँ पे हमने previous digit को लिखा था. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Next digit को, successor को एक digit extra लिखनी है. तो look at here 326. So in this question 437. Children, question number 10. 345. Last two digit repeat here, and after 5 there is 6. So we write 6 is here, 456. Again 326. Here is 437. This is a wrong. This is misprint. So the answer will be here. The analogy of 326 is 267. Got it, children? So 456, the analogy of 456 is last two digit we write here 5 6 and after 6 we write 7. So where is the option of 567? Option A. Option A is the right answer, 567. So the children, look at the next question, analogy codes. अब यहाँ पे analogy of numbers, analogy of objects, analogy of letters हमने पढ़ लिया है. So the last topic is analogy of codes. यहाँ पे codes के बारे में पढ़ना है. Take the right choice. A1 B2 C3 D4 E5 F6 G7 H8. Where is the H8? Option H8 is where A, B, C, D. Option C. Option C is the right answer. This is the part of codes. A1, A2, C3, C4, D4, D5, E5, E6. The next digit is E6. Where is E6? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Question number 3. 10A to B, 20B is the gap of 10, but the letter is same. Continue. 30C, 40D, 50E, 60F, 70Z, 80H. Where is the option 80H? Option B. 80H is the right option. Children, question number 4. Question number 4. A1B, A2B, C3D, C4D, E5F, E6F. Where is the option E6F? Option D. So take here option D is the right answer. In question number 5, 11A, 12B, 13C, 14D, 15E. Next digit is 16, 16F. Where is the 16F? Option B. 16F is the right answer. 111A, 222B, 222B, 333C, 333C, 444D. Where is the option 444D? Option A, B, C, D. Option C is the right answer, 444D. Children, in question number 7, AA99, BB88. Here is the reverse counting, reverse digits, but the letter is not reverse, letter is continue. BB, here is which digit is here? C. CC, here is 88, so here is 77. CC 77, where is the answer? Where is this option? CC 77. A. Option A is the right choice. In question number 8, 1 A, B, C, 2 D, E, F, 3 G, H, I, 4 J, K, L. Where is the option 4 J, K, L? Here, question option D. Option D is the right answer. 9, 12 AB, 21 BA. Here is the opposite of this letter and digits. 23 BC. Here is 32 CB. Where is the 32 CB? B. Option B is the right answer, 32 CB. Question number 10. 13 MN, 14 NO, 16 PQ, to 17 QR. Where is the option? 17 QR. Here is 17 QR. Option D. So take here option D. So the children, this is your chapter 1, unit 1 or chapter 1 of analogy. I complete here today, and children, I think so you have no any problem, no any doubt in this exercise question. This is the part of June month. In my next video, again I will teach you the June month course series. So the children, please practice these 4 topics: analogy of objects, analogy of letters, analogy of numbers, and analogy of codes. So in my next video, I will teach you series. Children, goodbye, take care, and stay home, stay safe.